Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from Margate, Florida. And by the way, if you have questions, there is my telephone number. Feel free to give us a call. So what do we have here today? Well, we got the new Nissan Frontier. That thing is selling really well. And of course, we're doing lots of accessories for it. And what do we have here? Well, we have the Armor Flex. That's right, one of the heavy duty, the cover that takes a lot of abuse. Now, this truck's probably gonna be used for work, so this is probably gonna abuse this cover a little bit, but this cover can take it. Why? Well, they Line-X the top of this. Besides looking really good, because it does look good with the Line-X, it's just gonna be a little stronger. You put things on, it's not gonna scratch as easy. It's gonna protect the panels. Now, what I like about this product, it is 2 pieces of metal, not one, and it has the Line-X on top. So you got 1 piece of metal, insulation, another piece of metal, Line-X. Super strong, holds 400 pounds, that's right. Now that is evenly distributed, you know, not Uncle Louie standing in the middle doing Russian dance. Also, this has a great warranty. It's not 1 year, it's not 3 years, it's 5 years. And if we install it for you like we did with this guest, it's now 10 years. That's a long warranty. He might not even have the truck 10 years from now, but it's nice to know this cover is covered by Undercover. Also, if we install it for you, like Buddy did this one today, has a 1-year labor guarantee on everything we've done. So you got the parts covered, you got the labor covered, you got a lot of coverage. That being said, Buddy, go ahead and take a look around how nice it looks, and then I'll go into how it operates. One thing you'll notice, it is a flush mount. It sits in the bed, super tight. Looks really good. I tell you, it's a clean look here. I mean, if you look at the tailgate here, you can see how nice and snug that is. So let's go here and open this thing up. Now, this does have a dual release mechanism. I know a lot of covers just do their driver's side, which is good, but it is nice to have the passenger side as well. Why is that important? Well, let's say you're driving down the highway, you need to inspect something in the back of your bed, you want to pull over. Well, that's the side with all the traffic. This is the side with no traffic. So you might want to be on this side, which is a lot better. Now, what's nice about this cover, you can drive with it partially open, or in this case, partially closed, depending on how you want to look at it. It got this nice little mechanism here. You go and plug this sucker in there, tighten it up. Now you are good to go. Even on the highway, you can do this, because with both straps, this will hold it from coming down. Now, what's nice about this cover versus some of the other covers, this has a 3rd fold. So let's go in here, folds all the way up here, and lean it there for a second. We'll go pull this out here. Got a nice little lock-in mechanism right there. Now there's 2 of these. Now for the video, I'm only doing 1, but I always say put 2 on there. So if you're driving down the road and you got all your stuff back here, now you can accommodate that Harley Davidson, or you want to put in the, let's say a couch in here, or just plain old plywood, whatever it is, you can do it with the setup. Now when this is up, this does act as a headache rack. Now if you're not familiar with the term headache rack, basically this protects your rear window. So if you have something really tall back here and you hit the brakes and everything comes flying forward, instead of hitting the window, hits the cover. That's going to protect you and whatever's in the back seat. Most importantly, you might have some family in there. I don't know, it's a small back seat, but either way, it's good to have. Now this is very easy to use. As you can see, put it right in there. Locks into place. Just listen for the little clicking noises here. Now when you go close it, it's always good kind of push it down here, get a nice little snug push. And let's see, there we go. And there we go, nice and tight. Now, speaking of how tight it is, and the reason it's important to have it tight, one is for water. If you have any loose areas, you could let water in there. This is not a submarine, so it's not gonna be 100% waterproof. None of them are. But this one does a pretty good job, because you have the tight fit here, you got all the nice seals here, you get a nice seal here. They do their job, and they even put a drainage system in there that helps keep the water out. So this is gonna be, out of a scale from 1 to 100, it's like a 95, 96, which is pretty good. Again, if we put it on for you, we're gonna double that warranty from 5 years to 10 years. And you got the 1-year labor on here, so you got a lot of coverage on here. Again, it holds 400 pounds. You can come here, have us do the installation, or we'll ship it anywhere in the country. You don't live here in Florida, not a problem. Texas, California, New York, Portland, Hawaii, Puerto Rico. We ship everywhere. We got like 30+ warehouses, so we're all over the country. So you don't have to live in Florida to have a product from us. Again, little reminder, if you go and don't buy from us, which is okay, you can't call us for help. I got a lot of people, they watch my video, They go somewhere else to buy. They're having problems. And they're calling that company, and they're like, we don't install, we don't know. And they're calling us. Our prices are the same. It's not like you're paying any more for us. But the only thing is you're getting us. So buy from us. If you have questions, you can call us. So keep that in mind. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is a review of the Armor Flex on a new Nissan Frontier. And I'm Chris with C&H. Thank you.